Hi guys, and welcome to another YouTube. I'm your host Sophia, and today I'm bringing you two brand new styles by Kim Kimble. So the one I have on my head right now, this is Trinity, and I have one more called Jayla. Now before I get into the styles and the cap constructions of both, I just want to go over the care instructions for this. So these are already on the website. I highly recommend, if you do purchase this, please read up on the care instructions because they're not like the rest of the styles. So this does recommend wash basin. It does recommend not using hot water. Definitely get in there, read those care instructions before you do anything to this. Now styling it, if you caught the live, I did go ahead and just comb out this one part. You can see how that curl is very different from the rest of the curls. So I'm gonna do that for kind of like the front because I already really like this. I just want it a little more defined and together. So let's go ahead and try styling this real quick and then I'll get into the cap construction. So again, what I'm doing, take it in very small sections, and I'm not like fighting with the hair at all. So you also, something that they recommend, do not overstretch. So see how kind of loose that is? So that's one section, and I'm gonna comb out this other section. Fun fact, if you guys have checked out the other styles in Kim Kimble, the other curly styles, and you're like, this is not what I received, this doesn't look like the pictures that you guys have, it's because this is what I did. I went in and I just gently took each section and I kind of combed them and gave it a little more life, because I like, if I'm gonna get big hair, I want big hair. So this, let's just get in there, shall we? So this is all I did on those styles, and this is what I'm gonna do here too. Be very gentle. Only use a wig brush or a wig comb. Do not use just random brushes from Sally's, guys. So already that front is starting to kind of look a little different, and I like that. But let's get in there. Guys, look at that. All I did was mess with the front. You can clearly tell the difference between the front. Look how cute that is versus all these tight curls at the back. So just a little styling and combing tip. That's all I would do. Let me get into this cap construction. So it does have a very tiny mono part. It has a lace front, and these caps are both wefted. So they're both also heat friendly. Make sure you keep it between 275 to 300 degrees. I will do a little fashion for you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.